How to unlock your iPhone with VoiceOver. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to unlock your iPhone with VoiceOver enabled, here is what should be done. So first and foremost, let's set up the VoiceOver. For this, head over to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, and once you are on that page, tap on VoiceOver. Tapping on it, make sure to toggle on the option. Once the VoiceOver is enabled, then you can go back to the main page or home screen. Now, if you lock your screen and would like to turn it on, you will notice the VoiceOver being displayed. Now, here is a small trick. To unlock your iPhone using the VoiceOver in your passcode, you'll have to once click on the number of your code. Then you'll have to double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm the number. Do the same with each of your passcode. Only then you'll be able to turn on your iPhone using the VoiceOver. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.